Hi, I'm Linda Anderson here at the Houston Festival. I'm from San Diego, California, and this is my quilt, Velvet Flowers. Um, I am absolutely fascinated by people in other cultures that are just so stunningly beautiful in their basic living day, in and out. And I'd love to capture moments that might go unnoticed, that we all share, and that help remind us of our shared identity. We can all relate to sitting around a table and talking with other women. And this was a story I just needed to tell. I'm compelled to just bring forward what we're all about. And so this is 100% painted, every square inch, but it's not a whole cloth, which people think it is. It's all raw edge applique. So like this piece here was a piece of white fabric that I cut out and painted to be her arm. And then, this was another piece of white fabric I cut out and painted. This was another piece of fabric that I painted. So once I get all the pieces cut out and painted, then I assemble them and then stitch like crazy. The hardest part for me and the scariest part is stitching the faces, which I save till the end because frankly I spend the rest of my time getting my nerve built up to put that machine needle in that painted face. And so it takes me the whole time to do that. Now from start to finish, and there's a lot of steps involved before I even get to the sewing machine, but I spend 50 hours a week working in my studio, and this was 4 months of continuous work. There's a lot of time invested in it that I just don't even come up for air because I'm driven to do what I do. I'm a lucky woman and have the support of a great husband in that regard. I love doing hair. Uh, you know, so after I've painted, this piece was one piece of fabric that I cut out. After I've painted it to be the hair, then I stitch to complement and enhance what is there. I love what I do. I'm lucky in that regard, and it's a great way to spend time in my life. How did I come to quilting? I have been an artist all my life, drawing and painting, and I've sewed clothes all my life over on this side of my world. I never knew I could put the two together until about 8-9 years ago when I saw my first art quilt and went, oh my gosh, I can blend the things that I absolutely have a passion about into one element. And so now I'm an artist on fabric and I can sew at the same time. So it's the perfect combination of everything I have ever put my interest into in one element. That's how I came to doing what I do.